Hello, everyone. Today, we want to talk about a game-changing opportunity for MNOs to revolutionize their roaming business. We call it the QoX money shot, pricing roaming first class. It's about fundamentally rethinking how we value and price roaming services in a world that demands seamless connectivity and superior experiences. Our innovation aims to break the barriers and unlock significant revenue potential by leveraging quality of experience. Oops, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Quinn, and on behalf of the team, Raj and Ava from Yaana, and Finn and Ian from CSG, I will be taking you through the joint innovation pitch. Although they look forward to Genesis and Limerick, I doubt they will let me join. Anyway, let's get started. Yaana was founded 18 years ago in the heart of Silicon Valley and has been dedicated to the communications market from the onset. The company provides compliance, security, and data analytics solutions as fully managed services, supporting more than 130 communications providers worldwide. Yaana brings deep expertise in real business use cases, helping to bridge the gap between business stakeholders and technology or operations teams. Yaana differentiates itself through a strong focus on business-driven autonomy, genuine collaboration, and a global community of customers and partners who innovate together. CSG is a global leader in revenue management, customer engagement, and digital wholesale platforms for telecom operators. For over 4 decades, CSG has helped MNOs launch, price, charge, and settle connectivity services, from traditional voice and SMS to 5G and digital services. In roaming, CSG sits at the heart of the value chain, handling wholesale rating, retail billing, and operating CSG Assure for end-to-end roaming quality measurement. CSG uniquely connects 3 layers: the network layer generating QoS, the Assure layer measuring QoE, and the business layer defining prices and products. Together with Yaana, CSG translates roaming quality into Q-score, tiers, and deployable pricing strategies. To appreciate this innovation's potential, we must understand the status quo. Currently, MNO success hinges on a critical dependency between business and network layers. Commercial decisions are constrained by lack of network insights and vice versa. Significant financial value remains locked up because critical data is isolated across network systems. Valuable insights about performance and service quality are trapped in silos, preventing informed decisions about pricing, optimization, and customer targeting. As technology evolves, particularly with AI, this gap will widen. MNOs must evolve or perish. This brings us to the crux of the matter. The problem is the inability to effectively translate quality of experience, QoE, into tangible revenue. MNOs are struggling to differentiate their roaming offerings based on the actual experience they provide to customers. This lack of differentiation leads to a race to the bottom on pricing, eroding margins, and ultimately diminishing the value of the roaming service. Without a clear understanding and effective monetization of QoE, MNOs are leaving money on the table and failing to meet the evolving expectations of their customers. This sets the stage for a deeper dive into the specific sentiments and challenges expressed by MNOs themselves. So, what are MNOs actually saying about this problem? The sentiment is clear. The status quo is a race to the bottom on wholesale rates. This relentless pressure on pricing leads to thin margins, making it difficult to invest in network improvements and services. MNOs are losing high-value roamers who silently switch to Wi-Fi, local SIMs, or competitors. These customers are essentially saying, "I'm not willing to pay for a subpar roaming experience." This silent churn represents a significant loss of revenue and a missed opportunity to build customer loyalty. Imagine a business traveler who relies on seamless connectivity for critical tasks. If their roaming experience is unreliable or slow, they're likely to seek alternative solutions, even if it means switching providers. This paints a clear picture of the challenges MNOs face in the roaming market. But within these challenges lies a significant opportunity. Let's take a stab at quantifying the market opportunity. Our analysis reveals a direct correlation between quality of experience and key business metrics. We've found that even a 1-point QoE uplift on a particular route can have a significant impact. A 1-point increase in QoE on Route X can increase daily roaming ARPU by Y%. This means that customers are willing to pay more for a better experience. Furthermore, it can cut churn on traveling subscribers by Z%. These are not just theoretical numbers. They are based on real-world data and demonstrate the tangible value of investing in QoE improvements. It's not about improving the network. It's about understanding how those improvements translate into increased revenue and customer loyalty. Let's dive into a specific market scenario: churn reduction. Consider an MNO with 1 million roaming subscribers experiencing a 20% churn rate. This means they're losing 200,000 subscribers annually. An average revenue of $5 per roaming subscriber translates to a loss of $1 million annual revenue. With QoE improvements, the MNO can directly recover a significant portion of this lost revenue. A churn reduction of just 1%, 10,000 subscribers, is an additional $600,000 in annual revenue. Let's now focus on attracting high-value customers. Assume that 20% of the 1 million roaming subscribers are first or business class travelers, high-value customers generating an average ARPU of $20 in roaming. In the scenario, the targeted QoE translate into a net $50 ARPU gain, $3 million per month or $36 million annually. That's a significant number. These customers are often willing to pay a premium for a seamless and reliable roaming experience, making them a prime target for QoE-driven pricing strategies. Think about the airline industry's sophisticated pricing. The same aircraft flies the same route, yet ticket prices vary dramatically based on quality of experience, driven by yield management, competitive monitoring, customer segmentation, and dynamic pricing. Business class offers more legroom, better meals, and priority boarding, justifying premium prices. Airlines adjust fares based on demand and timing to maximize revenue while staying competitive. MNOs can adopt similar strategies to unlock their roaming potential, but first must address the missing links in the wholesale market. The primary gap is lack of granular data and real-time control over quality of experience. MNOs need to dynamically adjust pricing based on network conditions and service performance. Currently, wholesale roaming agreements use fixed rates regardless of actual experience delivered, creating a disconnect between value and price. Bridging this gap requires shifting to dynamic, value-based pricing using real-time QoE metrics. This is where Yaana and CSG collaborate, enabling business teams to leverage data slicing and QoE metrics like 5G network slicing. While 5G network slicing focuses on infrastructure, there's a divide between network capabilities and how business teams can price and monetize these slices. Yaana data slicing bridges this gap, enabling dynamic slice creation based on service, market, or customer segment. For example, MNOs can create a premium slice for business travelers with guaranteed bandwidth and low latency, priced accordingly. It's fully integrated for real-time analysis, dashboards, SLA monitoring, and reporting, providing the visibility and control needed to manage and monetize roaming services through a simple roaming service ladder based on QCR. This Q-score and roaming service ladder makes quality commercially relevant. Every roaming route is segmented into 4 tiers. Business tier with Q-score 80 or above for premium pricing and preferred partners. Premium tier 70 to 79 for standard competitive offerings. Economy Plus tier 60 to 69 for low-cost coverage. And economy tier below 60 for poor quality routes used only when necessary. This ladder connects technical QoS, customer experience, commercial performance, and strategic value into one framework, turning raw performance data into a shared language for both engineering and commercial teams. Modern pricing strategies, inspired by 5G network slicing and enterprise markets, are shifting from volume-based to value-based and SLA-driven models, charging for business outcomes like reduced downtime or guaranteed latency, not just gigabytes. We see 4 key levers: value-based pricing tied to revenue uplift or churn reduction, tiered subscription models, bronze, silver, gold, mapping to our Q-score ranges, on-demand dynamic pricing for events or high-value customers, and SLA-driven pricing with guaranteed QoE thresholds via APIs. CSG's decades of BSS and roaming expertise help operators embed these models into billable productized services. Here's how Q-scores and pricing strategies translate into concrete 5G roaming products. 3 product families. Enhanced mobile broadband for multi-gigabit speeds, ideal for business travelers and premium bundles. Critical communications with ultra-reliable low latency for industrial control, drones, and mission-critical applications. And massive IoT optimized for huge numbers of low bitrate devices with deep coverage. These examples show how we help operators design differentiated first-class roaming products that monetize 5G SA capabilities, guided by Q-scores. To realize these opportunities, we need a smarter way to manage our roaming business. That's where our decision intelligence platform comes in, moving beyond traditional reporting to embrace AI and machine learning that transforms complex data into actionable insights. Think of it as a GPS for your business. Instead of just showing where you are, it predicts where you're going and suggests the best route. This platform automates strategic choices, connecting data, insights, and human judgment to enhance efficiency and speed. Imagine predicting which roaming agreements will become unprofitable based on real-time data, or automatically adjusting pricing to maximize revenue. That's the power of decision intelligence, modeling, tracking, and learning from decisions for continuous improvement. The Decision Intelligence platform focuses on 2 critical systems. First, Yaana NewString for managing commercial roaming agreements. Second, CSG's quality of service and experience parameters from signaling, connectivity, and user devices. The MNO Q-score algorithm is the heart of this integration, setting quality scores based on financial impact and becoming the common language between network performance and business outcomes. APIs automate system interactions, underpinned by an AI-driven stack that learns and evolves, a self-optimizing system for continuous improvement. The business model underpinning this decision intelligence platform is designed to create a win-win scenario for both us and our roaming partners. We envision a model where value is directly tied to the quality of service delivered. This means moving away from simple volume-based pricing to a more nuanced approach that reflects the true value of our network. For instance, we can offer premium pricing for guaranteed bandwidth and low latency, catering to partners who need to support demanding applications like HD video streaming or IoT services. Conversely, we can offer more competitive rates for partners who are less sensitive to quality of service. This innovation is based on the collaboration between Yaana and CSG. Yaana brings expertise in wholesale business management, providing the platform for negotiating and managing roaming agreements with a proven track record of helping operators optimize revenue. CSG provides data and insights into network performance and user experience, monitoring service quality and identifying improvement areas. By combining these strengths, we create a holistic view of the roaming business, ensuring our platform is grounded in both sound commercial principles and real-world network performance data, delivering actionable insights and meaningful business results. The technology behind our decision intelligence platform is a state-of-the-art, cloud-native architecture designed for scalability and performance, leveraging AI, machine learning, and real-time data analytics. At its core is a powerful data ingestion engine handling data from network probes, billing systems, and customer care platforms, feeding sophisticated machine learning models that identify patterns, predict outcomes, and recommend actions. The platform includes a user-friendly interface designed for both technical and business users. The delivery roadmap is a phased journey from raw network data to automated, prescriptive business actions, delivering value quickly while minimizing risk. Our execution strategy has 4 key phases. Phase 1 establishes data integration and the MNOQ score. Phase 2 builds AI-driven models and automates decision-making. Phase 3 expands to additional use cases and data sources. Phase 4 ensures continuous optimization and innovation. Each phase has clear milestones and deliverables, aligned with client needs to deliver tangible business value from day one. Now, let's bring it all together and discuss the ultimate goal: pricing roaming first class. You've invested in building world-class networks. It's time to build world-class margins to match. By leveraging the decision intelligence platform, we can unlock the true potential of your roaming business and transform it into a significant revenue driver. We've shown you how to turn quality into currency by pricing roaming services based on actual value delivered. This isn't just about increasing revenue, it's about creating a more sustainable and equitable ecosystem. I encourage you to partner with Yaana and CSG on this journey. Let's implement this decision intelligence platform together and turn quality into currency.
Thanks, Quinn, for flying us through the QoX Money Shot journey today. I'm Eva from Yaana and have been your co-pilot along the way together with Raj, Finn, and Dion. While Quinn handled the takeoff turbulence and landing like a true roaming captain, we were in the back economy class, frantically checking the revenue dashboards and praying the QoE didn't hit airplane mode. On behalf of Yaana and CSG, thank you for choosing to travel first class with us on this roaming pricing adventure. Please remain seated until the innovation comes to a complete and profitable stop.